on a number line, an open dot means that value is not included. When discussing values on a number line, we use a dot to circle the tick mark of the number in question. We use two types of dots, either a solid dot to show that the number is included, or an open dot to show that the number is not included, parentheses, or excluded, and parentheses. Just as a reminder, a number line has 0 in the middle, positive numbers to the right, and negative numbers to the left. We call the horizontal number line the x-axis. A second number line is used in the vertical orientation and named the y-axis. The two number lines together, crossing at 90 degrees at their zeros, make up the Cartesian Coordinate Graphing Plane. On a graph, we use a solid line to include the values on the line, and a dashed line to exclude the values of the line. For example, y is greater than 2x minus 2 is a line crossing the y-axis at minus 2 and having a slope of 2 over 1, or rising 2 and running 1 from the minus 2 intercept point on the y-axis. Since the inequality sign is involved, y is all values just above that line, and a dashed line would be used to indicate this. If the inequality were rewritten as y is greater than or equal to 2x minus 2, then a solid line would be used because the values y represents have to be greater than or equal to the line. The equals part is what makes the solid line necessary. The open dot slash solid dot and the dashed line slash solid line are examples of inclusion or exclusion. On a number line, an open dot means the value is not included or is excluded. Antonyms: solid dot. Related words: inclusive, exclusive, solid line, dashed line.